Hi! I'll be showing you how to make shrimp toast, also known as bamboozha, using the air fryer. It's an easy recipe for people like me who are all thumbs when it comes to cooking, especially as this version doesn't require any deep frying. To make the shrimp toast, you will need 400 grams of prawn, half of an onion, egg whites, some bread. One slice of bread makes 2 pieces of shrimp toast, pepper, salt, and 2 tablespoons of maize corn flour. First, we dice the onion. Easy peasy. Next, the prawn. Let's remove the tail end of the prawn. You have to hold the tip of the tail and give it a good pull to get it out right. This was surprisingly easy for me. Now we dice the prawn. You don't want to dice it too fine, otherwise the crunchy texture of the prawn will be gone. Add the prawns and onions into a bowl. Now we separate the egg whites. I thought this would be another challenging step, but I got it in one go. Add the egg whites to the onion and prawns. Add salt, add pepper, and 2 tablespoons of maize corn flour. Mix these in with your hands. Each bread will make 2 pieces of shrimp toast. Cut each bread into quarters like this. If you want, you can cut off the crusts like this, or feel free to leave the crusts on. Grab one piece of the cut bread and place a spoonful of prawn onion mix on top. Then simply place another piece of bread on top to create a lid. Once all the cut up bread have been used, they are ready to go into the air fryer. I put a little bit of cooking oil on top of each bread before putting them inside the air fryer. Now, air fry these for 8 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and then turn each of the shrimp toast over to air fry again for another 4 minutes. And all done! These are crispy on the outside, while the prawns on the inside create a soft texture. They are a perfect match with sweet chili sauce. I'm so glad I came across this easy recipe from a Korean TV show called Pyeongtorang, where celebrity Yuri Lee made 150 pieces of shrimp toast. These can also be stored in the freezer to be made as a convenient meal or snack for later. Hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. Please remember to like this video and feel free to leave a comment. Bye!